So for decades, as far as the Delhi is concerned, we are not able to solve the problem of solid waste. And why is it so? Why is it so? Because we are not able to understand the overall process, overall structure, overall composition of the waste. So in case of Delhi, what is the composition of the waste? To my knowledge, about 50 to 55% waste is biodegradable in nature, whereas remaining 35% is non-biodegradable and dry waste, and 10% is inert waste. So we have to just divide this waste into three categories. First one is biodegradable waste, which is 50 to 55%. Then non-biodegradable and dry waste, which is 35%. Of these two together becomes 90%, and remaining 10% is inert waste. So if we can segregate this waste properly, we can get a very good resource in the form of energy, in the form of compost, and in the form of some very good recycled materials. But that is what we are not doing. And this results into this kind of landfills. The impact on environment, all the waste is spread here and there. This is the nala which is full of plastic. Sorry. So you see, this should not happen, and we have to understand the composition of the waste. And in simple terms, very simple terms, only three kind of waste is in Delhi. First one is biodegradable, which is 55%, non-biodegradable, which is 35%, and inert waste, which includes the debris, the construction waste, soil, dirt, all these things, which is 10%. So if we can segregate this waste properly, we will be able, we will become successful in waste management of Delhi.